Crude oil once again traded bullish throughout the week, as we had discussed in our last week analysis that once it breaks above 74, certainly more bullish momentum will proceed, and precisely it has achieved close to the top of the channels at 77 and has retraced towards the last trading session of the week. Most importantly, it has closed the week with a less than half the candle size of this body. You can see. Now, what does this mean? What to expect next week from crude oil WTI? Which position you should take trading crude oil? We will see with the help of charts first, followed with indicators towards the end. I will give you the trading levels and strategy to watch out for. Do watch till the end and do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Do not forget to press the bell icon which keeps you updated with the twice a day analysis and targets which I share for crude oil, definitely, which will help you in your day trading decisions. First I share with the Asia session, next with the US session. Do watch both. Let's start. Now look at crude here on the weekly charts first, and we had discussed in last week's analysis also that see it has seen a good pullback on multiple candles here, and it has formed a good base here at 65-67 zone. You can see couple of drops here at 65 and then 67 levels. I had been telling everyone and I have been mentioning in my daily analysis as well as weekly analysis as well, till the time it stays above 69 one should stay long in oil, and precisely it has seen a almost close to 10% rise in a 10 days or 2 weeks. Now what has happened last week, you can see it is still traded bullish. You can see it is trading in this channel, achieved the top of this channel and has seen a pullback. Now second part is, if you look at the complete movement, remember it is giving a breakout and it is still staying bullish. However, just track the movement for oil for last few months, that is from the middle of 2022 till now, till middle of 2023. You can observe that this is a channel in which oil is trading, and if you look at the top of this channel is now at around 78.5 levels. This is the zone where it is going to get the maximum resistance. This is the first observation. Next, the more important observation here is, look at this candle, look at the complete move and the body size. The body size is less than 50% of this complete candle, and you including the wick and the tail, you can see the body size is very small, which means that the prices are not willing to stay bullish here. And specifically the drop on the last trading session, we'll see on the daily charts, probably indicates that it might open the week next week on a bearish note, can try to take it again till towards 74, 73.8, the greater support for now. In fact 73 the greatest support, only below which we can expect it to trade bearish. So even if it tries to trade bearish from here, I will wait for this previous bottom from the last candle, that is at around 72.7, 72.5 zone, still giving it a maximum support, and a possible reversal from those levels can be expected. Now remember what it has done, a drop, consolidation, retracement, and it is reversing from the top of the channel. However, it has still got the bullishness intact. I will definitely watch out for how it behaves, first at around 74, 73.8, then at around 72.5, 72, and then lastly at 70. These are maximum support levels on the downside. But let's have a further detailed look. Let's also one more point on the weekly charts. You can see this. See, it has been trading bearish here. It has achieved the bottom. It is on the path of a reversal, and the space on the upside is blank. It can possibly retrace till towards these levels, that is 90.95. Coming to the daily charts now. Now look at the daily charts. Consolidation, triple bottom, breakout here, and then this rally is observed. What a beautiful rally. I hope you all profited here with the help of daily and weekly analysis. Now look at this channel in which it is trying to trade, which is precisely reversed from the top of the channel. First support zone at 74, 73.8. Very good support here. If it breaks this, then the next milestone is going to be 73 and 72 levels. Very good support till 72, only below which I will treat this for a little further bearish momentum. Else what is happening here is, first red candle, what it could try to do, a second red candle here till towards 73 or 74.5 levels, and in fact 74 level, then maybe a third candle which could try to take it in this consolidation or little higher from here. So it is trying to create a new expanding channel for its own. Possibly it could try to stabilize at around 73, 74 zone before looking forward to a complete reversal. So this is the possibility which I am looking forward to, because this is a massive reversal candle, And if it breaks below 74.8 levels, certainly more bearish momentum is going to continue for next couple of days before reversing. So this is what I'll be looking forward to on the daily charts. Yes, it is still bullish. Yes, this is, even if it tries to drop, this is still a retracement, not a reversal. And in fact, even if it drops till 70, I will not treat this as bearish. This should be still a retracement, and it could bounce back strongly in this month or the next month itself. Now let's have a look at the monthly charts. On the monthly charts, we have seen in our July analysis that higher lows, lower highs are seen, and possibly it could give a breakout. Also, if you look at these three bottom for the three candles, you can see all the three lows are beautifully aligned, which means it is trying to create a channel. And in fact, now the highs are also aligned, which indicates that even if it tries to rise, first thing, it has to stay above 77.2 levels, and then we will wait for 78.4 levels to be breached. If and only if oil breaks this zone in the month of July, then you can say that it is a breakout, complete breakout, and we are going to look at a further rise for 81, 83 zone. Else, so far, looking at the move, it appears the highs and lows are going to remain intact, and it is going to trade between 70 and 77 levels itself. So now what next? Yes, even if you see a drop till towards 72, a possibility of a bounce back will remain strong, and we can buy at those levels and for next month contract. Remember this fact. Now we have seen the charts. Let's have a look at the indicators on the monthly charts. You'll find the Ichimoku line, the 20 period exponential moving average, giving it a greater resistance. Also the top of this trend line coming together here, which makes this level at 78, 78.4 very good resistance level. At the same time, on the downside, the 50 period exponential and the 100 period exponential giving it a very good support at 72 and 68 levels. Now if you look at the stochastic, this is flat. The MACD is so far trading bearish, and it is willing to converge here. See, the candle size have started to diminish. It is looking forward to converge a bit. Now what has happened in oil? You can look on the monthly charts, the first wave, second wave, and it is on the verge of beginning the third wave here. So it is willing to converge, crossover. It may continue with the bull run from here. RSI is also seen a rise. On the weekly, similar observation on the weekly charts. The support is seen here from the 20 period moving average at around 74, and then on the Ichimoku line, that is 72. So this zone is going to remain critical for crude oil. I see a very good support coming in it at 72. So a possible drop or a retracement on the downside might still going to keep it above 72 and then a pullback. So this is one point here. At the same time, if it opens above, trades bullish from here, remember we can see another bullish candle taking it. Now see, this is the resistance zone here at 78.4. This is also the 50 and 100 weeks moving average. This is definitely going to provide a great resistance. Also you can see this is the high here. So these levels I will watch out for. Stochastic rising, MACD divergent and bullish looking upwards, and see this divergence have started after staying flat for weeks and now looking upward. So it has got very good chance for it to continue with the bullish momentum in the coming few weeks. RSI is rising here on the weekly charts as well. Coming to the daily charts. Now look, why a retracement or why a drop can be seen. See, first of all, the moving averages have crossed over the 20 and 50 period moving average. At the same time, the prices are too much divergent from the moving average, which calls for a pullback. Second is, it was trading outside the Bollinger Bands, and that is what calls for a pullback. Now this is still to be treated as retracement. It could touch the price here at 70 to 73 and probably consolidate here, and then the reversal can be expected here. I will observe the candle size on Monday, do watch the Monday's analysis. If it remains smaller than this candle, then possibly we can see it consolidating here at 73, 72 zone, and from there it gets, the candle size gets smaller with each move, each session, and then a reversal here. So this is what I will be looking forward to. Certainly you can see the 50, 100, 20 period moving average. This crossover is important here. This is a bullish sign. The retracement till towards the moving averages can be expected, and hence this zone becomes very important. Stochastic is overbought, and hence a little drop cannot be denied here. You can see this. It is overbought, and that is why we can see it looking down. The MACD is also trading with extreme divergence, and hence a little conversion here. RSI is near to top, that is why a little drop is seen. Now we have seen the charts, we have seen the indicators. Time for me to define the trading levels and strategy for you for next week. Do watch till the end here. And before I provide you the trading levels, if you want to learn this art of trading, where you identify the profitable trades yourself, take your trades onto the next level with the help of tools, techniques, and strategies curated over years of experience. You should join my mentorship batch. This is a live webinar session. Definitely, it will help you become a independent trader. Reach out to me for more details. The 24th batch is going to start in first week of August. Reserve your seats now itself. Only limited seats are available. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Now let's start. First we'll look into the buying levels, and yes, you can also join my signals channel where trading as per the signals you can definitely benefit. Now you can buy oil here at 75.5 levels. Expect 75.8 to 76 first resistance zone, and if it stays above this you can expect 76.6, 77.2. Now only and only if 77.2 is breached, you can say oil is going to fly high, and I will be looking forward to 78.4 levels beyond that. Definitely a greater resistance exists here, because beyond this, beyond 78.4, it will directly stop at 81, and beyond that 84 levels. So we will be definitely watchful of how it behaves at around 78 levels. Now on the downside, where to sell? I will recommend you to sell here at 74.8 levels. Remember, below this we can expect it to hit 74.2, 73.6, and then 73 levels. Now this is going to be the first and strongest support zone. This is going to be a very strong support zone rather. Once it stays below 73, still you can expect 72.5 and 72 as the stronger support on the downside. And if it stays below 72, remember a crash is what you can expect below that 70.5, 69.7 levels will be seen there. So take your trades accordingly. Remember, till this zone is respected, we can expect a possible bounce back. Also, you should not treat this as bearish, even if it tries to drop close to 70 or below level 69.5 levels. You should not treat oil as bearish till then. It can bounce back and recover strongly, and hence take your positions accordingly. Trade accordingly. Trade with a stop loss. Trade with a trailing stop loss. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment. Do not forget to press the bell icon. Do watch the daily analysis. Definitely it will be of great help. Also join my mentorship batch or signals channel. And yes, here 79.4 levels will also be seen. So take your trades accordingly. Trade with a stop loss. Trade with a trailing stop loss. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join my mentorship batch and signals channel. Reach out to me for more details. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading week ahead. Thank you.